Hello, welcome to number 15 on Spring 2010 final exam. A biologist examines a group of 1,000 potato beetles. She expects to find that 17% of them are male. She observes that 208 are males. Compute a chi-squared, chi-squared statistic for the associated distributions. Now with a chi-squared, we need to create two tables. We need to have the expected table and the observed table. So let's do the observed. Okay, I prefer this table here. So we have the observed and the number. Okay, so how many males do we have? So we have 208 males. And then that would mean, because we examined 1,000 beetles, and if 208 of them are males, 792 have to be female. Okay, so that's our observed table. Let's set up the expected table. Now she says she expects to find 17% to be male. But you're not going to put 17% here because that's not matching the type of numbers we have over here. So instead, what is 17% of 1,000? And that's 170 males. So now if there's 170 males, that would mean there would be 830 females. Okay, so now we have our expected table and our observed table. We have to use the chi-squared formula. So let me pull that up. Okay, so that formula is right here where I have O and E. You might have F instead of O, but I used O because it stands for observed, and then E stands for the expected. All right, so this is the formula you're going to be using. All right, so we have our chi-squared is going to equal, so you take your first observed, 208, you subtract off the corresponding expected, which is 170, you square it, and then you divide by the expected, which is 170. Plus, and then you do it again, and you just keep going until you run out of all of your outcomes here. All right, so we have the observed, which is 792, minus the expected, squared, and then divide by the expected. All right, so plug all that into your calculator, and you'll get 10.23387. And if you come up here, it looks like they round to 3 decimals. So if we round that, it's going to be 10.234, which is letter E.